Hey guys, welcome back to the Zoe Computer channel. Zoe is your AI personal companion that can get things done for you. I'm Jamie, and today I want to tell you guys about Zoe Spaces. So Zoe Spaces is a new way for all of your sites to live, and also it's the fastest way to turn your files into a functional site. Zoe Spaces is the easiest way where you can build something on top of your entire context. I'm going to show you guys what my Zoe Space looks like, and then I'm also going to be going through how to make a art commission Zoe Space right here. This is what my Zoe Space looks like right now. What I did was just drag like some inspiration pictures into it. Right now I have a Linktree similar thing. I have a journal where I can add my own journal entries, like, just my diary of March 1st. And, today I'm still feeling a little bit sick. I don't know if you can tell with my voice, but you can do that. And other people that view your site can also leave comments. So it's kind of a fun place to also share with your friends and build a community off of. I also have this Kanban board. This is actually what I use for my personal tasks for work. And I also have a page for my automations. So I want to show off like everything that I am doing with Zoe Computer right now. I also created this mini page that has all of my automations that I do have. So if someone sees this and they want to copy one, they can look at the setup instructions, look at these instructions, and then literally just follow these instructions. Go to agents, create new agent, paste these in, and then that's how you do it. There are two different ways to add a new Zoe Space page. So what you can do first is press the plus button, a new starting point. Zoe will create the page for you. What I want to do is a commission site is kind of like a portfolio. So I'm just going to press that, and it just kind of prompted the chat for me. What kind of work I want to showcase, etc. What do I need? So I'm just going to describe what I want. I want to create a art commission page. You can also connect this actually directly to your Stripe, so it can also handle payments for you. But I'm going to skip this step. We have another video covering Stripe payments if you want to check that out. But yeah, I want to create an art commission page. Have the options for art commissions are face, body, face, chibi, body, full illustration. Pricing starts at 30, then goes up. Provide a place for the client to submit their request. And another cool thing that I really like about Zoe is I'm just gonna go on Pinterest to get some inspiration pictures for this site. So my site is very pink right now, so I'm gonna be taking like images like this, these kind of like fashion art sites that I really like. And now I'm just gonna select these 3 images, drag them in, and then use the attached images as inspiration for the page, as aesthetic inspiration for the page. And I also don't want that like AI styled photo, so I'm also gonna put like, no, please do not have any gradients, and use this kind of font. And yeah, all we need to do is literally wait for it to load. And yeah, so the way I can look at what site this is at, go to homepage, and then I can see art commissions now. And then yeah, this is the site that it gave me. And then yeah, it has all of these places to submit a request as well. And then so if I also want to show this art commission page on my front-facing Zoe Space, I can also just ask it to connect the art, add a link to the art commissions space from the home page space, and then it will be there. Okay, so now let's go back to the home page of the Zoe Space. And then, yeah, now if we scroll down, you can see journal, board automations, and art commissions. So thank you guys for watching my Zoe Space tutorial. I hope this can inspire you guys to create a little corner of the internet for yourself, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.